Are you trying to publish your Practice Better page live, but you're stuck on how to do it quickly and easily? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your page published without wasting any time. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share some key tips and an exclusive offer for a free trial, plus some alternatives that may actually be better for your needs. To get started, open your Practice Better account. If you haven't already created one, go ahead and do that now. It's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, head over to the Pages section in the dashboard. Here, you can either create a new page or select an existing draft that you've been working on. Next, click on the page you want to publish. If you're starting fresh, you'll be prompted to enter your page details like the title, description, and any other content you want to include. Practice Better allows you to add sections like images, text blocks, and even video embeds. Make sure all your content is properly formatted before moving on. You don't want to run into layout issues when you go live. The third thing to remember is your settings. Before publishing, go to the Page Settings tab. Here, you can control who sees your page and whether or not you want it visible to the public. You'll also have options to password protect it or set specific accessibility permissions. This is important, as it gives you full control over your content and audience. Next, check the URL settings. Practice Better gives you a default URL, but you can customize it to make it more user-friendly or aligned with your branding. This can also help with search engine optimization if you're planning to share this page publicly. Once everything looks good, the next thing is to click on Publish. This will push your page live for the world to see. But don't rush, take one last moment to review everything and ensure your page is exactly how you want it. Now, here's a pro tip. Make sure to double check your mobile view. Practice Better is optimized for mobile, but some elements might look a little different. You want to make sure that your page is seamless across devices to avoid losing potential clients. If you followed all these steps, your page should be live and fully functional in no time. But here's something you should know. While Practice Better is great for creating and publishing pages, it's not always the easiest to use for some users, especially those who want more customization options or smoother integrations with other tools. That's where the alternatives come in. There are platforms out there that offer similar, if not better, functionality with greater flexibility and better pricing options, especially if you're aiming for a more scalable solution. I'll link to some of the top alternatives below that offer a free trial, and trust me, you'll want to check them out. So, if you're still using Practice Better and are ready for a change, or if you're just starting out, make sure to check out the exclusive, extended free trial I've linked below. Plus, these alternatives I've mentioned will give you a lot more bang for your buck, and they all come with amazing free trials as well. Through our link, you'll get the best possible deal with the exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Go ahead and hit that link now to grab your free trial and start making the most of your page publishing today.